Madam, say they cook jollof rice.
I dey cook jollof rice.
Yes.
Of course I cook.
Of course I do.
Can you spell jollof rice for us?
O-O-J-O-L-L-O-F.
How much do they spend for one pot of jollof rice?
2,000 is okay.
3,000.
That's expensive.
2,000.
Jollof rice is Jollof. Which L comes first?
Hell.
Is it the first L that comes first or the second one?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The first one.
How long did it take you to cook jollof rice?
2 hours, is it?
Yes, 2 hours. 10 to 15 minutes.
If I told you that there was a faster, easier way to make more jollof, how would that make you feel?
I go there very happy.
I will need it.
You'd like to have that, right?
Yeah.